All right, so we have a 2012 Kia Optima, and it's a pretty unique situation here. So the vehicle just stalled while driving. That was a complaint. We get to the shop and we scanned the fault codes in it. No communication on anything on the high-speed network, which they call that a CAN bus system. Essentially what that is, there's high speed, low speed, medium speed. On this case, it was the high speed. There's several computers on a vehicle and they communicate to each other via two wires, CAN high, CAN low. If the wire is shorted, open, shorted to power, shorted to ground, it has an issue with, depending where the short is or the communication is open, it can prevent all the modules from talking to each other, okay? When that happens, the system just shuts off. When the CAN bus is off, the vehicle, almost nothing on the vehicle works as far as the high system goes. The medium speed and low speed, all that stuff will still work as normal because it's a separate system. In this case, it was the high speed that was down. The medium speed was still communicating. So we hooked up our testing equipment. What we found was it was shorted to power, the high speed was. And through various testing methods, we found was the vacuum supply pump. This vehicle is turbocharged, it doesn't create vacuum. So they use an assisted pump to create vacuum. Well, it actually has CAN bus wiring going to this, and this was shorted internally, preventing the vehicle from starting and running. It's a Kia, but I got the part from Hyundai because it was less expensive. So that's the part number. Kia is actually the same part, there's nothing different about it. The same part from Hyundai was actually less expensive than you can get it from Kia. So that's a tip for you. But yeah, if you come across this situation where your vehicle it won't start, won't do nothing, this is right on the front of the transmission between the radiator and the transmission. Is mounted right there on the driver's side. There's one electrical plug that goes to it right here. Unplug it and see if that restores your CAN bus and lets the vehicle start and shift gears and all that stuff. But quick little video to bring this up to people. So I'm sure this is not going to be the only car that's going to have this problem. You might have it, so this may help you out. Till the next one, see ya.